Next problem, integral dx by x minus x cube. So this can be written as integral dx by x into 1 minus x square. Now let us use partial fraction. So integral, this can be written as minus x by 1 minus x square plus 1 by x. Right, plus x by 1 minus x square plus 1 by x. It will be x square plus 1 minus x square. X square minus x square will be cancelled and you will get 1 in the numerator. Now if you observe the first function, if you have minus 2x in numerator, it will be f dash x by f of x. So let us multiply with 2 and divide with 2. So it will be minus 1 by 2 integral minus 2x by 1 minus x square dx plus integral 1 by x dx. So minus 1 by 2 into log mod 1 minus x square plus log mod x. Now you can write it like this. Log m power n is n log n, so it will be log mod x again. Now 1 by 2 into log mod x square by 1 minus x square plus c. So 1 by 2 is the constant that they are asking. Next problem, integral 6x plus 7 by x plus 2 whole square. Now here let x plus 2 is equal to t, so that dx is equal to dt. So integral 6 into what is xc? X is here t minus 2 plus 7 by t square dt. So integral 6t plus 1 by t square dt. So integral 6 integral 1 by t dt plus integral 1 by t square dt. So 6 into log mod t plus minus 1 by t plus c. So 6 into log mod t is x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 2 plus c. That is the required result. The next problem is integral dx by x power 22 into x power 7 minus 6. It is given capital A into log p power 6 plus 9p square minus 2p cube minus 18p. We have to find capital A and p. So see this. We have taken x power 7 outside the bracket, so it will be 1 minus 6 by x power 7. Now this can be written as dx by x power 7 whole cube into x power 8 into 1 minus 6 by x power 7. X power 7 whole cube is x power 21 into x power 8. It will be x power 29. Now let us consider 1 minus 6 by x power 7 as some t or p, whatever it may be, p. Now its derivative of 1 by x power n is minus n by x power n plus 1. So it will be 42 by x power 8 dx is equal to dt, and 1 minus p is equal to 6 by x power 7. So this can be written as 1 by x power 7 is 1 minus p by 6. So it will be 6 into 6 into 6. 6 whole cube by 1 minus p whole cube. into, now 1 by x power 8 dx. 1 by x power 8 dx can be written as dp by 42. So 42 into, now 1 minus 6 by x power 7 is p. Now integral 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6. So 36 into 6, 260. 36 into 6. So 260 by 42 integral dp by 1 minus p whole cube into p. Now you need to use partial fractions. Now see this integral 1 by x power 7 whole cube. 1 by x power 7 can be written as 1 minus p by 6. So it will be 1 minus p whole cube by 6 cube into, now 1 by x power 8 dx. 1 by x power 8 dx can be written as 1 by 42 dt. So 42 dt into 1 minus 6 by x power 7 is p. So it will be integral 1 by 216 into 42 integral 1 minus p whole cube, that is 1 minus p cube minus 3p square plus 3p by p dt. Now this is 1 by 9072 integral 1 by p minus p square minus 3p plus 3 dt. So 1 by 9072 into log mod p minus p cube by 3 minus 3p square by 2 plus 3p plus c. So 1 by 9072 into 6. LCM is 6. 6 log p minus 2p cube minus 9p square plus 18 plus c. So 1 by 6 2s are 12, 6 7s are 42 plus 1 43, 4 54. So 1 by 54,432 into log p power 6 minus 2p cube minus 9p square plus 80 plus c. So that is the required result, where capital A is equal to 1 by 5 4 4 3 2 and P is equal to x power 7 minus 6 by x power 7. That is the required result. Next problem, integral 1 by a power 4 minus x power 4 dx is given by a tan inverse x by a plus b into log mod a plus x by a minus a. X we have to find capital A and capital B. Now this can be written as integral 1 by a square plus x square into a square minus x square dx. Now using partial fractions, a square plus x square plus a square minus x square. Numerator will be a square minus x square plus a square plus x square. X square will be cancelled and you will get 2a square. So you need to write 1 by 2a square as a constant. So 1 by 2a square into result is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Now multiply, you will get 1 by 2a cube tan inverse of x by a plus 1 by 4a cube log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Now these are the constant. Next, problems on reduction formula. You need to by heart all the reduction formulas in IPE classes. So series integral tan power 7x dx is given by f of x plus log mod cos x plus c. You need to find f of x. We have integral tan power nx dx is equal to tan power n minus 1 x by n minus 1 minus I n minus 2. Now apply the reduction formula of integral tan power 7x dx. So it will be tan power 6x by 6 minus I5. So tan power 6x by 6 minus, again I5 is tan power 4x by 4 minus I3. So tan power 6x by 6 minus tan power 4x by 4 plus I3 is tan square x by 2 minus I1. So tan power 6x by 6 minus tan power 4x by 4 plus tan square x by 2 minus, what is I1? Integral tan x. Integral tan x is log mod secant x. So log mod secant x plus c. So this can be written as tan power 6x by 6 minus tan power 4x by 4 plus tan square x by 2 plus log mod cos x plus c. That is the result. They are asking this function. This is the f of x. Now see this in problem number 136. They are given in is equal to integral tan power nx dx, then I0 plus I1 plus 2 into I2 plus I3 plus and so on plus I8 plus I9 plus I10 equals to. So you have In is equal to tan power n minus 1 x by n minus 1 minus In minus 2. That is from reduction formula of tan. Now apply I10, I9, I8 and so on, I4, I3 and I2. Now add these all terms. So if you add these terms, now consider I10 plus I9 plus I8 plus and so on plus I3 plus I2. It will be tan power 9x by 9 plus tan power 8x by 8 plus and so on plus tan square x by 2 plus tan x by x minus of I8 plus I7 plus I6 and so on plus I2 plus I1 plus I0. So take these all terms onto left side. There will be I10 plus I9. Now it will be 2I8. So 2 into I8 plus I7 plus I6 plus and so on plus I2 plus I1 plus I0 is equal to tan power 9x by 9 plus tan power 8x by 8 and so on plus tan x by x. So this is the required result. Very important problem. Similarly, you can do problem number 130 and 131.